Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Introducing Stepping Stone Gray Paint Exterior from Menards. Oh yeah, what do you think? Be honest, leave your comments in the comments section. It's real wet. You know this stuff has been coming down. Some people do this to hide stuff. As for me, you guys know the amount of work I put in, start to finish, top to bottom. This is like putting icing on the cake. Let's not forget about the north side. Can't forget about the north. Rose bushes, making progress. We've been getting hit with a lot of rain. I'm telling you, it's going to have a negative impact on things. Since I put down the landscape edger, had to adjust it a whole lot. I like what I see though. Moving right along, I like to bring the pots out. Man, these stoops look amazing. Phenomenal. Yep, pots up there. Doormat over here. Look at the salvias. Plant support. Sonic bloom wines. Balloon flowers. You guys did notice that I moved the stem flow. It was hindering the progress of this salvia. And of course, we'll finish things up by adding vincas to this area. Last year, this was considered my new additions. This year, it's in its second season, sophomore year. I think I should stop referencing sports, using the word season, like this is a league or something. Okay, got the pots out. They're in their second season. Okay, that's it. That's the last time. What do you guys think of the mat? Got the sign back out. We are officially back. How about this? I put in all that work last year to get to this point. I'm going to add those big pots. New pot saucers. Okay. Let's come back over to the mulch bed. Before I do anything else, I'm going to add the annuals. Vincas are my go-to annuals. And this creation is called a Whitley. Okay. Moving right along again. Let's add more vincas to the beginning of the walkway, and I got plenty of them. Vincas for days. White, red, purple, pink. I had to add a vinca to this section. Now it seems a little more centered, and I stand corrected. I have plenty of vincas, but in order to get the color pattern that I want, I have to go to the store and buy some more. Does that make sense? In addition, something is on my mind. I'd like to add vincas over here. I think it'll work. What do you think? Of course I'd say it. I'd put vincas anywhere. All right, folks, I'm back. Had to make that store run. And yeah, I decided to go with my plan. I will add vincas over there. When you're doing this type of work, don't forget your knee pads or your kneeling pad. You guys know I got a husky. Looks like I got a new addition. Great touch. Great touch. What about the pots? This is their sophomore season too. Okay, that's it. That's it. No more sports references. They look great, though. Wouldn't you agree? What about the mulch bed? It's mulching. Sorry, guys. You're no longer the new kids on the block, but that's okay. Make room for the new guys. Welcome them in like we welcomed you. Thanks for coming. We appreciate everything you do for us. Welcome back. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.